Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a very simple cut crease eye look. I literally used two eyeshadow shades for this whole look, so if you want to know how to get this look, please stay tuned. Guys, please ignore my lashes. We're on quarantine and I haven't gotten the chance to go get them removed because I wanted to fill, but my girl is not able to do that for me, and I'm kind of stuck with these lashes until they fall off themselves, so just please ignore they're there. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do an easy everyday glam, well maybe not everyday glam, but like a low-key soft glam look today, and let's get started. So I'm gonna be using two primers today. First I'm gonna be applying the elf primer, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that, scoop out a little bit of this, just apply it onto your face. I'm just gonna work it into my skin with my fingers. I recorded, yeah. Now I'm going with Cover FX gripping primer, just that much. Just gonna apply it onto my T-zone. That's where I get oily, and guys, this is magic. It literally keeps your makeup in place for so long. Usually my makeup does not last on my skin, no matter what I use, like 3 hours max, and then I get super oily. So with this, I can go, I'm being realistic here, so like 5-6 hours. And for foundation, I'm gonna be using Stay Naked by Urban Decay. I'm just picking up some with my sponge and applying it all over my face. I really like this foundation because it's very lightweight, but it gives you the perfect coverage. And I'm really pushing it onto my skin. And for concealer, I'm going to be using concealer by Too Faced Born This Way. I'm just going to blend this out. And now I'm baking my face using Fit Me Loose Powder. So I'm just going to pick up some with my sponge and apply this while you're looking up. And then whatever is left on my sponge, I'm just gonna apply it the rest of my face. Wow, that was a lot. Usually I don't apply this much, but I guess I have picked up a lot already, so yeah. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. I did my eyebrows. I'm just baking the side bronzer duo by Gigi Gorgeous, and I'm gonna use this for the first time, and I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna actually mix them together. So I'm just gonna apply this onto my jawline. I'm also gonna apply a little onto my little forehead. Just a tiny bit, not much, just to warm it up. And then I'm gonna snap my cheekbones with this. I'm also gonna use it to contour my nose. And then bring this into your eyebrows like this. So for the eyes, I'm gonna be using the same thing. I'm gonna pick up the lighter shade first. And I'm gonna focus this onto my crease. And then just drag it out all the way. I want this to give me like a nice cat eye look. Now with a smaller brush, I'm gonna pick up the darker shade and then focus this right here more onto the crease. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut my crease with some concealer, and I love using this kind of brush for that. For that, I'm gonna be using my MAC's little concealer palette. I'm just warming it up on the back of my hand because it is a little thick, so this will help it to apply smoothly on my eyelid. Look straight, figure out where your lid is. I'm not using any eyeshadow onto this. I'm just gonna use the powder and set it. Okay, so I did this eye off camera and I did my eyeliner off camera. I have a video on how to do this eyeliner on my channel, so if you want to know how to get this look, this eyeliner look, you can watch that video. I'll link it down below. Now I'm taking a little clean brush and I'm just gonna wipe away all the excess powder that's still sitting on my face. And I dropped something, so like that. I'm applying the same eyeshadow. Just gonna use it. Sorry. So I'm just using the darker shade under my eyes. I'm just gonna drag it out under the eyeliner as well, like that. For blush, I'm using Mocha by MAC. I'm just gonna pick some of that up on my brush and just apply it right here. Okay, the lashes are on. So the lashes are on. Now I'm gonna go in with my mascara. Volumina Lash Paradise by who is this? By who is this? By who is this? By it's by L'Oreal. So I'm gonna apply this mascara onto my lower lashes. Uh-oh, is it being clumpy? I don't know. So for highlighter, I'm using this highlighter from Space Cosmetics. I got this, I don't know about this line before. I got this from Epsi when I got my little package a few months ago. I stopped getting their stuff because I have way too much stuff and I don't need it anymore. So I actually love this highlighter. It's so creamy and beautiful and it goes on so pretty. Do you guys see that? I love it. A little on your temples and on my forehead. The same on this side. And I'm also gonna apply it on the bridge of my nose. On my cupid's bow. And I like to apply it on my chin a little as well. So I'm not big with lip liners, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna use this lipstick from Color Drain, and this is in the shade Bachelorette. And then also this one from Milani, which is called Adorable, and I love this shade. Outline my lips with the darker shade and then apply this. This is darker than I expected. Oh, it looks so funny. So now that we look this crazy, let's go ahead and apply this in the inner corner. I keep saying that, I'm sorry. So I'm just gonna apply this over it on top in the middle section. God, my lip. Oh my god, look at my lips. They look like so much bigger. And I like it. So this is the final look, you guys. I am so in love with the lips. I haven't used these two combos before, but I like it a lot. And I don't like usually when the lip liner shows, but I kind of like this. I can live with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this look come together. Please like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. It's at Makeupbyroya. Thanks again for watching. Please stay safe, stay home, stay clean, sanitize, just try not to go out as much as you can. Okay, love you guys. Mwah. Bye.